Doctor! They're burning up! I'm afraid they might be really sick! Please, help them! Never mind me! Please, just don't let them die! You have to save them! I'm begging you, Doctor! I'm perfectly capable of taking care of these two girls. And nothing can stop me from raising them to be wonderful girls.
I don't care. You're not even our real mother! You're just some lady who's taking care of us!
It's true the three of us aren't related by blood. But we're family. All I've ever wanted was to be their mother. Nojiko! Nami!